I feel like another kiwi can fit in here. Grapes are 99 cents a pound right now. You guys, it's busy in here today, okay? Like, I thought it was gonna be finished. They're not switch up what they're getting, they'll just automatically not like it. Oh, I feel like this one lasts longer than buying the Nielsen. Sometimes I can't either, so then I just get this. When it's done, I don't have to cook anymore. The less I have to cook, the better for me. No, get the small one. We are grocery shopping today, guys. We're at the big no frills. Can't bother with the little one anymore. I was hesitant to come because the rain has been raining. Bare thunder, but we need groceries, so it's a must. We're also on a budget today. Don't mind my little side bag. So I'm gonna show you guys what I pick up to do multi-purpose meals so that I can make like breakfast, lunch, dinner with like the same stuff. If you're new to the channel, wagwan. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know what to do. Like, comment down below. I don't think they take change for these cards. Missing in here.
Oh, my finger.
Huh?
My finger.
What are you doing, Pizza? Is it okay?
Part of it.
I've been wanting kiwis. I think this is worth it. But do they look good? Look at it. Is it worth it? I feel like another kiwi can fit in here. You guys don't feel like me. Some of them look moldy though. A lot of them look moldy. Bruh. We're not doing kiwi too. Grapes are 99 cents a pound right now. You just missed the girl grab like 10 bags. So I'm gonna grab a couple bags. Is this basket good? This basket good. Is this basket good?
Oh, yeah.
This one no?
Yeah, you can put some more in there.
Put some more in this one? This is a lot. I'm gonna get these two.
You're gonna get the two?
Yeah. It's 99 cents right now. Bananas are actually ripe today, so we're gonna get some. These are big. What about this guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab some tomatoes. And what I can't stand is that tomatoes these days are like $2.99 a pound. Like, that's pretty drastic for tomato. Zucchini. Grab a scallion. $1.49 per scallion. They have the sweet potato on sale for $1.99. That means I'm gonna make a pudding. Yeah, this is cheaper here. I even saw that they had the coconut here. Should we get that? Because I saw the sweet potato for so cheap, I'm just gonna buy the coconut here too, because you guys, I made the best Jamaican sweet potato pudding the other day. Done in seconds. Where did I see the coconut? I know I saw it. Oh, over there. I don't know how to pick this. And they're so tiny. Is it just me or are these tiny? $1.99. How you know? All good? Yeah, that's what I was doing to shake it. So I'm gonna
it's not a
need
mango. This one no good. They're gonna be disappointed.
This is obviously no good. Look at it.
Just gonna no good. Tell them no good one now. No good one them.
The mangoes look good. It's $3.99 a pound. Whoa, this one is so big. Find the scale.
The portable scale over there.
Okay. Okay, so they have the scale here, guys. But how come it's not in pounds? So what do I do here? $3.99. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to use this thing. Mango. Yo, this thing is a waste of time. $1.77. I'll be the one going down to the cent, okay?
Yeah, this one. Oh, $5.96?
No, but this one. That's a good
Not
price.
bad. Yeah.
You guys, it's busy in here today, okay? I usually don't film on the weekends, but I am today. And I thought because it was raining that it wouldn't be so full today. But it is. Cook these tonight? This looks good.
Yeah, wait. White rice?
Rice and beans.
Rice and beef?
Or maybe white rice if I get too tired. You got potatoes?
I forget.
Oh, so good. Hey guys, traffic jam. Like I thought it was gonna be finished.
Yup.
I think Royal likes the peach.
Yeah.
The thing is with these kids, you cannot switch up what they're getting. They'll just automatically not like it. Can you some milk? I switched over to this one. Oh, I feel like this one lasts longer than buying the Nielsen. For some reason, the expiry date is much further. And I feel like the taste roll is better. Should we get some apple juice? It's $2.99. It's cheaper than the Simpson. Hey! Do we have the brown one? I have to sacrifice my brown eggs right now because I want to get more if I buy the white egg. Like in Canada, the amount of sacrifices we have to make.
But the next no frill is couple cents.
Huh?
I'm saying the next no frill is couple cents cheaper, right?
It's the same boat roll. Maybe fresh roll? I was trying to use
that the
the
double
app
back?
to price match, but the app is not even working here, so it's so annoying. Did we even bring a list today?
This is heavy, huh?
Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna grab some more stuff. Hopefully they have like tuna on sale. And we need like water, some juice. What else do we need? I feel like we don't even know what we need until we go home. I did the worst thing. I didn't come with a list today. This is crazy.
I need flour.
We need flour.
Rice.
We need like everything. And we're on a budget.
Yeah, on a budget.
Okay. Kylie cannot drink the regular milk. Sometimes I can't either, so then I just get this soy milk, vanilla flavor. This is the verdict. The rice.
One brown and one.
$15.99. You're gonna get one of each? What were you looking at? The little one? How much is that one?
$5.29.
Oh, if anything, get the small brown rice.
I said I was getting the two. This on the brown.
That's like 3 dinners. Okay.
I'll buy what we could have.
Buy the small one. And when it's done, I don't have to cook anymore. When it's done, there's just no more cooking. So get the small one. It's better for me, you know? So I ain't even trying to cook all the time. That's the thing. The less I have to cook, the better for me. No, get the small one.
I already got it.
You might as well just get one big one and not get the brown rice. Let's go. Let's get some tuna, 166. How much are these are we getting? Do they even have my crackers? That's the thing. I hope they have it. Usually when I find the crackers, they're all crack-a-lacking up in the bag. Yes, even noodles are expensive now, guys. Noodles. I don't even like the no-name brand noodles. To me, they're a bit different, but we're gonna have to get the no-name brand one today since we got the big bag of rice, you know? Gotta squinge up in the price somewhere. Miserable. How much is the flour? Smaller one is 5 something, but to me that's still not even worth it. And then my app is not even working in the store to check. Then I could check if they could price match. See? I'm trying to price match in the store. It's not even working. No, it keeps telling me to try again. And even if I try to go on my data, this never happens. I think I have to pay full price today. It's crazy. I think we're gonna get some cereal. Do they have regular cornflakes here? Oh, the way down here. Huh? You said I'm not gonna eat it? I am gonna eat it. We have bananas. I'm gonna eat cornflakes and bananas. Get some Reese Piece minis. I actually like these ones. Okay guys, this is how our cart is looking. We got some frozen stuff there. We got some cereal, eggs, lots of grapes, all of that. Okay, so we're just picking up a few more things, not much. We're getting the famous was it Milano? We have to get like 3 of those. Yeah, 125. These ones. Because they're good when they're fresh, eh? If they last. You guys, these are my new faves. You don't have to be a kid to eat these, eh? They're super good. My brother said the ranch ones are good too, but I didn't see those ones yet. But if you haven't tried these goldfish, you can try it. It has an extra crisp to it, and it's actually $2.44. I can't even have these in the house too long because the kids just go ham for them. This is it for the shopping pretty much. We're probably just gonna add some water maybe. That is it for my video today. Make sure to like, comment, as well as subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.